Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing fantastically well. So today I want to take a quick look at Funded Trading Plus. I've not looked at this firm for quite a while, but they are one of my favorite preferred firms for sort of recommending people to go and look at, primarily because they've been established for quite a while. They've been going since 2021, and they've got a good reputation of paying out traders as well as a good transparency behind the scenes. I've been watching a lot of their sort of live feeds on Instagram and other sort of social media platforms where they've been doing a lot of open, honest questions and answer scenarios, and I've always been impressed by how they've actually gone about delivering the message of how they are as a company and how they actually respect and treat traders. So when they first launched, they were one of the first firms really to do a sort of single phase trading challenge as well as unlimited time. A lot of people came back with the sort of some of the negatives around that, around a lot of the leverage. Now they only, I believe, have a 1 to 30 leverage as opposed to 1 to 100 on a lot of other prop firms. Now for me, that's not an issue at all. If you are planning out your correct trades, you are going in there with correct risk management, 1 to 30 is more than enough leverage to actually get onto some very, very good trades and actually make some fantastic profits. Now, what we have seen with the industry over the past couple of months is a lot of turbulence with some of the firms going bust. And if you look at the statement that the CEO has made on the website, you can really see they're actually being quite honest and open and how they're actually moving their business forward to make sure that anyone signing up is not going to get caught out by the same problems that have really hindered other prop firms in the past. And for me, that honesty and transparency just goes to show how they're actually well run and they actually care about the traders. Now, if you look at some of the changes they've made to some of the challenge models, really it's not drastic, it's more sort of fine tuning. They came out with some great models to start with, so they haven't really had to do much over the past year and a half, but they've really made some adjustments to the simulated drawdowns as well as the simulated profits. Now what we're seeing is a lot of change in terminology and language to make sure everyone's being covered and is fully aware of what's happening. We're now seeing the firm is much more research based. The trading side of things is more around evaluation, learning, research, and looking at how we can actually benefit traders long term. Now one of the other reasons why I like Funded Trading Plus is when you look at their Trustpilot reviews, they're all very promising, they're all very encouraging, and they look to be one of the most trusted out there right now. And if you are looking to sign up with them, there is a link in the description where you actually get 10% off when you sign up, which I think is not a bad deal with some of the firms out there right now. And when you look at their other socials around the Instagram, etc., they're very prominent, they are very active, they are really trying to engage as much as possible and give a lot more insight into what they're doing to actually improve as a business and give traders what they actually really need. So if we look at some of the changes made on the experience program, we can now see that the daily simulated loss is increased up to 4%, as well as getting a 100% payout split when you get a 30% profit objective, as well as reducing the overall price from the $200,000 challenge down to $949. So again, what we're seeing is they're one of the most competitive around price, as well as a lot of the objectives are some of the best out there in the marketplace right now. I think one of the key ones to take away is when you get onto the other programs, for example, when you do get to that 30% simulated profit objective, they are looking at doing 100% payout profit shares. Now, for me, that's actually a great thing. Not many other in the industry are doing that right now, and it's actually quite an achievable, realistic goal for a lot of traders out there, especially some of the ones who have some really good strategies and are able to take advantage of some of the moves in the markets around news, around some of the other trading events. They can actually get some good profits and get to that really, really good profit share when you get your simulated profits up to the 30%. Now for me, it just shows that Funded Trading Plus really do have a good handle what's going on in the industry right now. They're able to adapt to what's happening as well as change their programs to give traders, give you effectively what you're looking for and are able to assist you and making some better returns on the simulated profits in the futures. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video and I'll catch you again soon. Cheers.